The 505 Pro Starter Sewing Machine is an excellent choice for beginners, offering a user-friendly design that allows you to start sewing immediately with its straightforward threading guide. This sewing machine comes with a complete accessory kit, including an extension table and 7 versatile presser feet, making it suitable for a wide range of sewing projects. Tailor your sewing experience with adjustable dual-speed control, providing the flexibility to switch between high and low speeds to match your project's needs. With 12 built-in stitch patterns, this machine allows for creative expression, accommodating basic, stretch, and decorative sewing tasks with ease. The compact and lightweight design of the machine makes it easy to transport and store, ideal for those who sew on the go or have limited space. The Lupa Grigio sewing machine supports both AC/DC and battery power, offering convenience and flexibility for sewing at home or while traveling.